Oped. To create a keychain logo, you need only just three things: the best font for it, the texture you need, and the background. Now, let's start by creating one name. So my name, I'll use my name Peter, simply Peter. You need to add a number to the end of it. So I'm using 2 because it will need a design at the base. That 2 will represent the design. Once I select the font, you'll see it. So go to my font and select your downloaded krinkes font. Krinkes font. So can you see? This is it. This krinkes font. So now I'll copy it. Copy. Select the one at the base. Change the color to black. Go to stroke. Increase your stroke to the taste you want. Okay. I'm using 45 for mine. You will now put this one on it. Put it on it. So align it. Don't forget, we are creating a keychain logo. But before we add our ring edge, let us remove this white color. So you need to merge it together. For you to merge a layer in PixelLab, you click on this part and then tick the box, and then you click that middle part again. Then you select OK. Okay, we've merged this together. Now we can remove the white color by going to erase color. Click on erase color, activate it. So you have your white part removed. Now that is not all. Select shape, make it circle. So this circle, we need to reduce the opacity and then increase our stroke to the highest possible. Okay. If the stroke is too thick, you can reduce and then adjust. So this is okay for us. We can reduce the size a bit. Okay. So we need to put it where it's supposed to be. Attach it to one of the edge and then go to layers and merge it together. So merge it together. If you merge it together, you can now have your texture into your design. So select the design and select texture. Click on texture and go to where your texture is being downloaded on. I'm using gold. Let me use gold. Okay. So this texture needs to be adjusted based on your preference. Okay. I need to do this. So now that you've done this, it remains giving your design a solid shape, and we are using emboss instead of 3D. Use emboss. If you want to select emboss, click here and activate. So you need to adjust your emboss setting. Okay, I'll reduce this to 50 or 60. Ambient light, I'll make it something 65. Spectacular hardness, make it 60. And then your bevel, let's make it 17, 18, 19, or 20. That's okay. Now the remaining part is to add your keychain and then give it a background. So I'll do that very fast. You can do that on your phone. But before I go to that, let's import our keychain from the gallery. So once you import your keychain, you can then adjust it and place it where it should be. Okay. So that's it. You need to merge it together now. So merge it together like before. Click on this part, tick the boxes, and then you merge the options together. Now that you've merged it together, you need to give it background. Let's select our background from gallery. So you need to give it shadow for it to look realistic. Once you put it here, go to your normal setting and give it shadow setting. Reduce the blur radius. Offset S should be like this. -2 is okay. Offset Y +2 is okay. And that's all. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel now.